Okay, for our MPack crawl pattern that we're going to do today, I've got 4 lures here I've got to get done for a customer, but we have just used a I don't know what the number is on this, 6001 white sealer to cover some of these old lures. We've got 2 balsa baits to do and 2 rattle traps to do. I'm not going to show all that on camera. If you guys ever want to see me do multiple runs of baits and look for some consistency, leave a comment below and I'd be glad to do that. I did that a while back, and I don't know, some of them videos are a little bit long, but I don't like to edit a whole lot, so I'm just going to show you what we've got here on one bait. We're going to be utilizing about 5 or 6 different colors to get to this. This is a matched pattern from an old BDS4 Lucky Craft square bill that the late great MPack had me match for him a few years ago. We miss old MPack and his humor. If out on the boat, if you never had the opportunity to do that, you sure missed out. So this is a video that was dedicated to Mark and a custom order that I did for him on a guided trip. So here we go. The MPack Crawl. Our first color is fluorescent yellow belly. Almost still see that fin on that old bait in there. I don't really strip any paint on these balsa baits with my sandblaster, because if you get through that sealer coat on that, you're starting all over with these balsas. So anyway, the fluorescent yellow is a very transparent color, so on this I usually put 2 to 3 coats. But what we're going to do now is we're going to do a shoulder color of orange. It's another fluorescent orange that we're going to lay down on that top half. I don't want to cover all of that orange up with this red. We want to leave a little of that. And we're going to do a real thin layer down the back of this dark candy apple. And we want to stay right down the back. We don't want to get too much over the shoulders and cover up a whole lot of the red. That's just going to darken that back up. And I'll tell you how I got what I done on my mix ratio here. All right, and really that's the basics to it. Now, you know, we've got to decide what kind of crawl pattern that we want to put on this bait. All right, we're just gonna kind of do our old traditional on these. Talk to the customer and didn't really care. pretty good little splatter in there, but I want to put a little bit of these dots right above that. Oh yeah, that's what I want. All right, we'll get the MPack Craw. And it's looking good right there. So, all right, so we pretty much finished up with the MPack Craw. Final product. This one's going out to New York. Up there, going to get in some of that clear water smallmouth fishing with this old shad wrap. Let me know. Let me know how this is up there somewhere around Buffalo. Anyway, the MPack Craw. So this is, again, the MPack Special. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you got any questions or comments, leave them in the description below the video. If next week we will be coming out with a couple other patterns, and we've got some real good stuff in the lineup. We'll kind of get back into some more of our shad patterns. And until next week, Green Country Baits, we're signing out.